Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to connect water, and this is from the mains to a tank, and another problem called caused by the air called airlock. Now, um, this is a simple diagram. Uh, if we start from here, this is a socket which has a plug on top plug. This top plug has a cable. This cable will come all this way into the machine. Then this is a water pump machine. It has an outlet and an inlet. Now this one, it goes into the underground. This one goes to the underground tank, and we put a non-return valve right at the bottom of the pipe. This non-return valve is very important because of not allowing the water come back and not allowing air into the pipe, because we don't want air as from here all the way down here. We don't want any air because the air will interfere with our pump. It will not do a good job if we have an air inside here, which is called the airlock. Now, that is a simple diagram, and to note it better, let me show you another diagram which is similar to that one, so that you can understand better. This is the socket, as we said, and this is the top plug which has a cable. It goes all the way into the machine. From the machine, now the machine has two connections. This one is for going inside the tank. This is the tank with water, of course, here. Now this is the non-return valve. Non-return valve, so the water is full up to here. Then this pipe goes all the way into the machine. This pipe, we have to make sure all the time that it has water inside. So water is supposed to go up like this, up, and then to go to the gate valve. Now there is this problem called the airlock. If you allow air to enter into the system from here all the way round, from here going down here, it shows that if you allow air to enter all this way here down, it shows that you have created room for airlock, which is the airlock is a problem to the machine. Now this machine will have a funny, it might have a funny sound depending on the company of the machine. Like most machines which we see in the shops, you can hear the sound of the machine which is working. A working machine which is pumping water, like, could be the sound of this machine could be a tee. But then the sound of a machine which has airlock, which is not pulling water at all, which is not working, it's just making noise like a krrr, krrr, krrr. Now that is the sound of a machine which is not working. Now from here, if you want to understand me better, we are going to go outside, and once we go outside, we are going to see practical. We are going to do it practically. Now, as I said before in the diagram, you can see two things here. There is a top plug and there is this one, top plug and the socket. So you plug it in. This cable will go all the way to the machine. So if we switch it on, like that. You can hear now the machine has started working. This is one of the taps which you can see water now has started coming here. Very good. Where is the machine? Let's check the machine now. Here, this is our machine. It is very nice, very good. This is the pipe I was talking about. This pipe is the one that goes into the tank. Now, it is pulling the water from here and then pushing it up to the pipe. This is what we saw. This pipe is the pipe I use to remove air from the pipe. This one I'm going to show you later how to remove air when there is air inside the pipe. Now, this is where the water is pumped here. And then, if you have a look up there, you can see that I have a tank. You can see a tank up there, which is a storage tank. Now, this tank will store my water so that I can use it here. The water we are pumping up is this one. This is the water from the tank now. We pump it into the tank and then it comes down here. So, that is a very good connection. It has no air inside and only water is inside. If you create room for air, then we call it airlock, and that is another problem. Now let us have a look at our tank. That is our tank there. The pump is pumping water all the way up there, and then we use the water down here. So that problem of the airlock has been, that is, we are going to do I'm going to show you how to remove the airlock in the next video.